HVAC Critical Process Air System Trivia Quiz, 6 questions with explained answers. Question 1. Vent CFC of HCFC since. Option A, July 1, 1992. Option B, NOV 14, 1994. Option C, July 6, 1991. Option D, NOV 15, 1993. The correct answer is option A, July 1, 1992. Explanation. Correct answer, July 1, 1992. The correct answer is July 1, 1992. This date marks the implementation of regulations to limit the emission of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs. These substances are known to deplete the ozone layer and contribute to global warming. By setting a maximum limit on the release of CFCs and HCFCs, the international community aimed to protect the ozone layer and mitigate climate change. Question 2. What year was the sale of CFC and HCFC refrigerants restricted to certified technicians? Option A, March 5, 1994. Option B, July 15, 1995. Option C, NOV 14, 1994. Option D, Gen 6, 1996. The correct answer is option C, NOV 14, 1994. Explanation. Correct answer, NOV 14, 1994. The correct answer is NOV 14, 1994. This is the date when the sale of CFC and HCFC refrigerants was restricted to certified technicians. It means that after this date, only technicians who were certified and trained in handling these refrigerants were allowed to purchase and use them. This restriction was put in place to prevent the release of harmful substances into the environment and to ensure that proper handling and disposal practices were followed. Question 3. The synthetic lubricant used with HCFC-based ternary blends is: Option A, alkylbenzene. Option B, mineral. Option C, PAG. Option D, ester. The correct answer is option A, alkylbenzene. Explanation. Correct answer, alkylbenzene. The correct answer is alkylbenzene because it is a commonly used synthetic lubricant that is compatible with HCFC, hydrochlorofluorocarbon-based ternary blends. Alkylbenzene lubricants have good thermal stability, chemical resistance, and lubricating properties, making them suitable for use in various applications. They also have low solubility in refrigerants, which helps prevent oil carryover and maintain system performance. Additionally, alkylbenzene lubricants are environmentally friendly and have a low impact on ozone depletion and global warming potential. Question 4. Recover equipment manufactured before what date must be capable of removing 80% of refrigerant, and also 90% of the refrigerant if the compressor is operating, 80% if the compressor is not operating. Option A, November 15, 1993. Option B, August 13, 1993. Option C, NOV 15, 1995. Option D, Oct 7, 1994. The correct answer is option A, November 15, 1993. Explanation. Equipment manufactured before November 15, 1993 must be capable of removing 80% of refrigerant, and also 90% of the refrigerant if the compressor is operating, 80% if the compressor is not operating. Question 5. As of what date did it become unlawful to intentionally release Class 1 and Class 2 refrigerants into the atmosphere? Option A, July 1, 1992. Option B, July 1, 1986. Option C, NOV 14, 1994. Option D, Gen 1, 1996. The correct answer is option A, July 1, 1992. Explanation. On July 1, 1992, it became unlawful to intentionally release Class 1 and Class 2 refrigerants into the atmosphere. Question 6. Can esters be mixed with other oils? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Explanation. Esters can be mixed with other oils.